Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Hello everyone. Greeting of the day. Before taking too much of your time, I would like to give you a small introduction about Saksham Society, its founder, and selected few members so that you may come to know more about Saksham Society, our vision, projects, and partnerships, etc. And shall give you a better idea about Saksham Society. Sugamya Shashakt Samarth Sahayak. Saksham was started as a smart ambition to kindle scientific acumen among masses. The NGO with the cause was founded keeping in mind the current and future needs of the society, especially the poor and marginalized. As an NGO, we look forward to providing solution to the societal growth through education, family welfare, and health. At Saksham, we believe that the most basic requirements to build a prosperous future are good health and good education. Good health comes from a happy and disease-free family. For this purpose, we have started the projects on family welfare and health education intended for increased awareness about general health among the public. Uh, Now I would like to introduce about our founder, Mr. Rajendra Kumar Singh, a retired faculty and head of the Department of Pharmacy in government aided institute from Uttar Pradesh, India. Uh, he has published lots of books of pharmacy and also worked as an honorary captain for the Indian Army. He is willing to serve the society by providing selfless services to uplift the society. So, this NGO was started in 2016 to fulfill the needs of the society. Now, I would like to introduce about me. I am as a secretary. I'm also a global goodwill ambassador and international peace ambassador from Sri Lanka, and a winner of Global Pride Award, Atal Gaurav Ratna Award also. And I have received more than 30 awards at the national and international level, and I have published more than 50 research papers on different social causes at national and international levels, and I have successfully conducted more than 6 awards functions at national level and around 27 seminars, workshops, and webinar symposium within 3 years. Now I would like to introduce our management team. Dr. Sarat Prasad Mohapatra, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany from Narsingha Chaudhary Autonomous College, Jajpur, Odisha. He is a honorary member of Saksham Society. And Dr. Chitra Rathore, Head BBA Department of from Subodh Jain PG Autonomous College, Jaipur. Dr. Sheetal Yadav, Teacher Educator, SDMC School from Housecourse, Delhi. Dr. Dipali Johar, Project Manager in Indian Research Academy, Delhi. Dr. Aparna Parik, Assistant Professor of Botany, University of Rajasthan from Jaipur. Miss Mahendri NV, Administrative Dietitian in CMC Vellore from Tamil Nadu. Dr. Ajit Kumar Sharma, HOD Department of Botany from St. Wilfred PG College, Mansarovar, Jaipur. And Zumi Singh, dietitians and social activist from Allahabad. Priyanka Manjari Lenka, academician and social activist, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Josna Singh, research scholar, Department of Management from Christ University, Delhi NCR. Vaishali Anand, TQAC certified learning and development expert from Delhi. Now I would like to introduce our some vision: social upliftment and skill development, mental health and physical health, education and development, human development, family welfare, women empowerment, and environment and forestation. These are some of our projects. My Body is My Body. My Body is My Body program is a United Kingdom based project and partner with Saksham NGO in India. It creates awareness program to protect child rights, mental health, and general awareness. Saksham NGO helps in general awareness program for mental health issues via advertisement in newspapers, magazines, news channels, social media platform, and conducting workshop on and seminars at national level and national and international level by expert doctors providing medicines on low cost for all and organizing camps. 0% carbon emission. This project is focusing to save environment and increase plantation pan India. Saksham NGO is sending a strong awareness message for climate change and sustainable development. Student free health checkup camp. This project is run by Saksham Society for free health checkup to students of different institutes, schools, and universities in all over India. Saksham also works in coordination with the hospitals and blood banks for blood donation camps. Safety, welfare, education, and which this project is working in all over India with bold voice for women empowerment, child protection, and educational opportunities for all, including poor children. This project has target to provide opportunities to every needy pupil for the welfare of society. Industry tour and visits. This project aims at developing scientific acumen among the children. Besides, this project gives priority to increase importance of hospital places and help in research for researchers and visitors. Ayurvedic medicine distribution and promotion of the health. This project is undertaken by Saksham NGO Jaipur in all India for the purpose of promoting Ayush medicines. Government of India and Ministry of Ayush System of Medicine are also promoting this separately. So Saksham NGO is also involved in government mission for healthy life, organizing event for felicitating best profiles for from education, social worker, artisan, and healthcare and business too. So here we felicitate the maximum number of people who are responsible for the development of society and the nation, such as academicians, social worker, artisan, healthcare professional, and even businessmen. The focus is at encouraging everyone to perform their best and contribute to the development of the nation and the society at large. Cybercrime awareness workshop. In modern scenario, day to day cybercrime is increasing. To address these problem and issues, Saksham NGO helps by sending awareness message in all over India and door-to-door awareness with their volunteers, speakers in universities. Saksham wants to save privacy of data of people and prevent them being victim of cyberbullying and frauds. Career counseling and personality development workshops. Saksham Society organizes different types of motivational lectures on lectures, workshops, and seminars for career counseling, personality development in collaboration with many institutes and universities of India. Research related workshops. Saksham Society is running this project for improvement of research quality and encourage researchers, scientists towards innovation of new things in the interest of the society. Motivational session, corporates, educational children. Saksham NGO is running this project in many institutes, universities, corporates, and societies by motivational speakers to motivate students and employees for their goal achievements. Here, some are the activities at a glance. Education Leaders Summit in association with the Parishkar College. Arts Care Award in association with the Jaipur National Universities, Jaipur. Health Icon Award and the National One Day Workshop in association with the Sri Bhavani Niketan College, Jaipur. One day workshop and self-defense training in association with Narsingha Chaudhary Autonomous College, Jajpur from Odisha. One day workshop and innovation in education in association with Anuradha PG Girls College from Jaipur. Lady Legend Awards in association with the Podar Group of Institution from Jaipur, Rajasthan. And here are the some listed which we are continuously conducted some program like National 2 days workshop on how to boost immunity, 2 days workshop on health and hygiene, National Kids Talent Hunt are still going on, International online workshop on effect of COVID-19 on achieving SDGs, a step towards climate justice, certification program on stress management against COVID-19, certification program on effective teaching methodologies and skills, international webinar on waste management and sustainability. Here are our June month plan. One webinar we already done, an international webinar on ecosystem conservation strategies for sustainable future, good health for better living. which is currently under progress. National online workshop on how to become a better academic leader will be started from 15th of June. Nutrition and health against COVID-19 to be yeah 27th to 28th June. These are our reach. We have our associate partners in the Indian states of around 16 states. We have some our association partners. These are our some our international partners. New World Life Organization, Human Rights Unit, Sri Lanka. Global Goodwill Ambassador, a unit of LinkedIn Advisory Board, and UN SDGs 30 Action Campaign. Here I am also a Global Goodwill Ambassador. Global Collection Village from Bhutan, Nepal Youth Association by United Youth for World Peace from Nepal. Thank you so much, sir.